Welcome to Nelson's English School, Standard 3rd, Subject EVS NCERT, Chapter 7, Topic Saying Without Speaking. Now I am going to explain you Chapter 7, Saying Without Speaking. Let's play game Dumb Sharars. Let us play a game. In this game, everyone has to let others know what they want to tell without speaking. Divide children into small groups. Your teacher will give each group a piece of paper with a situation written on it. Each group will read what is written on the paper and prepare a silent act. Keep in mind that you cannot speak. You can express through your face and body actions. When all the groups are ready with their act, they have to perform one by one in front of the other groups. The others will have to guess what is being acted out. Look at the picture. Children are talking through actions in the picture. Most of us can hear and speak, but there are some people who can neither hear nor speak. These people talk through actions. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movements. All of us cannot do everything. Some of us sing well, others write good poetry. Some can climb trees quickly, while others can run fast. Some can draw well, others can sing in tune. We are all special in our own ways. Hence, in schools, we can learn from each other. Like all children who cannot speak and hear also go to school to read and write. In schools, sign language is taught to them. Let us read about a child who cannot hear, yet who can do many things. Me and my sister. Small girl Chaku, she cannot hear. She is deaf by birth. Her elder brother is Nandu. Nandu and Chaku play together. Chaku plays the piano very well. She likes to feel the deep rumbling chords, but she will never be able to sing. She cannot hear the tune. She likes to leap, to tumble, to roll, to climb to the top of the monkey bars. Now, my sister has started going to my school. Although our mother still helps her lip read at home. The teacher and children do not understand every word she says, like sister or water or thumb. I wore my sunglasses yesterday. The frames were very large. The lenses are very black. My sister made me take them off when I spoke. What do my brown eyes say to her brown eyes? Jenny Whitehouse Peterson. Our eyes tells a lot. Small children tell a lot through their face and hands even before they learn to speak. They understand a lot too. The face is a mirror. Read and draw. You must be wondering what kind of faces these are. They have no eyes, no nose, no mouth. You have to draw the expressions. You have to make this, but only after reading what is written alongside. This is Aftab. His favorite toy has fallen down and broken. He is sad. How will his face look? This is Julie. Her little sister was born just yesterday. She is very excited. How will her face look? This is Rutva's mother. Today, while Rutva was taking out the bottle of pickle from the kitchen, it fell from her hand and broke. Draw the look on her mother's face. This is Rehana. She is afraid of dogs. While playing, suddenly a dog came in front of her. How will Rehana's face look?